Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Lorraine in here with us this afternoon. And Lorraine was referred in here by a coworker that she works with, that had good results, which most of our patients are referrals. And Lorraine came in here with some low back pain and SI joint pain and pain down in her right leg. That's lumbosacral radiculopathy. And she also had neck pain and upper back pain and pain that would shoot out to her right shoulder and right arm. That's cervical thoracic radiculopathy, which is a pinching on the nerves coming out of the lower neck and upper back that go out to the shoulder blade, shoulder, all the way down to the arms, hands, and even fingers. She's also had some headaches and some dizziness. And we did a history and exam on her initially, and this is her 4th treatment overall. So we're going to show you how we're helping her. Okay, Lorraine, let's have you flex your hip forward and backwards for me, please, hon. And then back to neutral. Yep, good. So your head's turned to the right just a little bit. You still sleeping on your side?
Yeah, I've been trying to sleep on my back.
That's a hard habit to change, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's probably the hardest habit to change, actually. See, your hands are still out in front of you a little bit too. That's because your head's still forward a little bit. You're working on the computer all the time though, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so you know what I'm going to do first today? We're going to decompress you first.
Okay.
So let's go ahead and lay on your back here. Thank you, Lord, for referring Lorraine in here. Slide up just a little bit. And a shout out to Laura on this one. There we go. Perfect. Now, just lay your hands right there and relax them for me. Your legs are going to come up. Just let them bend and relax naturally. So that pressure you were talking about down in your hips, when I do this will move your spine from your skull all the way down here to your pelvis and should take a lot of that pressure and pinching off of your sacrum and nerves down there. They go down into your leg. Let's lift your head up for me a little bit. Lay your head right on back. There we go. Now, just a nice deep breath through your nose. Keep your teeth together and relax. Just like that. Boy, oh boy, you're about an inch taller immediately. Did you feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Yep. Well, you did great. You didn't scream near as loud as Renee. Okay, let this go. There you go. Drop it right in my hand here. I got one more. Now, tilt right a little bit. There it is. Boy, that's tough down there, ain't it? See, your head's turned to the right, so that was rotated the opposite direction. That's why it was so hard on that right side. Okay, and let's come over here and lay on your tummy next.
I looked with my eyes and I didn't move the camera. I meant to move the camera.
I zipped that one right in there. Oh, your pelvis is definitely off. Did you feel that tighten up when I brought your legs up? Yep. Okay.
Oh, man.
There we go. Okay, you feel a little tightness right here. There we go. That's it. So the cervical thoracic radiculopathy and the lumbosacral radiculopathy are really just big fancy words for pinched nerves. There we go. Okay, now just relax this right down here. Those are the ICD-10 diagnostic codes that we use to bill insurance companies with and describe the patient's condition in its most accurate format. And we do that through taking a thorough case history and orthopedic neurological examination, evaluating the diagnostic testing that's been done, x-rays, MRIs, CTs, things of that nature. And then also our just examination and analysis of the patient biomechanically as well. Then you come up with the diagnosis and a treatment plan. See, your legs are even now. I bet you this feels a little easier than the first one did.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm not adjusting her really hard in her mid-thoracic spine just because she's got a little bit of kyphosis in here, which indicates she probably has some osteopenia. We need to get a bone density study done on her. There we go. Good. There we go. Okay, now let's turn you on your back, please. There we go. There we go. That's it. Now slide down this way a little bit. And let's push your arms out like that. Clavicles here and your anterior ribs. There. That's it. Okay, you can relax those. And just let your leg relax right in my hand here. Now you should have felt that from your ankle all the way up to your low back.
I did.
How about that one?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's sit you up and face that wall there now. Good girl. Alright. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Good deal. Okay. Let's get your elbows and your wrists. That's sore still.
Uh-huh.
What'd be good for you? Get one of those little balls and squeeze it. Yeah. That'll help work out your flexors and extensors in your wrist. I know this hurts when I'm adjusting, but it'll feel better once I get them back in place. Okay, then let's stand you up here in front of the mirror now. Alright, I'm going to have you flex your head forward and backwards again.
Okay.
Remember how this feels. Back to neutral. Okay, take a look in the mirror. So you're still a little forward and a little bit right. So pull these guys up and back. Flare these way back there like this for me, please. And then we're going to bring your head straight back this way first. You're to the right just a little, so we're going to turn left. Now look all the way, try to look at the wall behind you. Extend your neck all the way back. I got you, I won't let you fall. Haven't lost patience on the floor yet. We'll start with you. There we go. Okay, now, let's do that same thing again and see if this feels any smoother to you this time.
Yeah.
Okay, look at neutral now. See your head straighter in the middle now, and you got more equal spacing down here now. So, you've had 4 treatments so far, Lorraine. Do you feel like this is helping you?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Because this hand here was worse than this knee.
Mm-hmm.
And now I can kind of
Get around a little better and
instead
grip a
of
little bit
like
more.
That, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. This is the best and truest form of anti-aging medicine that there is. Chiropractic care is. And it's not medicine. I'm not practicing medicine. I'm practicing chiropractic, but it is anti-aging in effect. All right, very good. So thank you for showing us that today and participating with that.
Thank
This
you.
is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.